adishfo enwanum na adofo mahoni ni enne masema mediba ni say on say pastors na ana prophet ana bishop to mo no mama masori for church members in bread too much church members in bread too much in the sense say what is this culture muji tithe muji offering no about the first offering second offering na de obi wo kwa sorry sa onu ko ni tuma nyo abonti o ebi o taxi driver ebi akoni some tuma ko bet my tuma factory into pastors no adentina mo bi ejuma say u share na u taxi drivers be 10 15 20 or what so no no say no order taxis among maybe Toyota Yaris and you check but what the age you can pay for 4 years 5 years na car still because it's Toyota our Honda come and now buy a plastic factory say Interplas mini plastic company small company but try to work at 50 years juma and look for year juma sana who cry no bet your tax duty when tight nothing no you know how much you pay them and but you become more powerful because who check members na here juma he said me hire me office hire office me registered car dealer in Canada and yes agent to me registered car dealer in Canada she said me kase pra matoma MPB pesa mo Joseph me body di matokas be 20 cars awan Yaris nko or be tax ama ni constitution wono or the work and pay ama ni crofo say be ya onu special din nipa 20 welu omo for families mu into with all their families now they begin to like the MP the office day even is under construction a residence at the same time so LA office no because one say you pese ko high we are into the grass here your friend Mr. Carter the phone number 0277365144 0277365144 who friend no so here ke bia me you one month ha message for you into no uba obeba ni fie one office am tenancy no what to ka ope now you continue from there Mr. Beka na matoma fresh wa obe hu te na eto no won auction so na me wo say no am for say me to cast mo obi petractor ntenu na me hwe say ato ama no eba ni sana e ma wo check members no enya hu to now so uko say universities now uko see school akisakesi here the other church member no ni man to be nko into nya mfaso bia no bre eba ni sa so a say pastors say kra no ni prophets any business say kra say kra mo ni respect bia bio umba Facebook me kasape na obi ayemo ne oyemo no ebia wo na woni no ebia watena wasida ebia oba sorry sa wonya hwi nti se wonya bibi no otan nti no be kan ebia na o rebat no be yiya wo na ni nti me stre mo ha se nju mo sorry ma no ho taxi drivers bebre wo mu but to yari se mo work and pay okonjuma ba woni mi se wo ma na juma ye nti on miss kepi tight na o peno do you say no ejuma na anko no ko pesca o be riba no no na ko jisika oye juma ajisika ba nto ko tight you can pay the tight na to yes am bread o krono ebe do bibi no pastors ni prophet ni bishop mutimi kan shikasa bi won yes wo Rwanda eba be so on say common sense for no wo de yenya ba ku mienu miensa e wo parliament ne hwe na ebesi tambe du sunu ebeba mimi professor o tambe du bisu tambe bedu a ebeba onya common sense ba ku mienu miensa for our parliament and now office of the president amuwo omuru baby pair they will change things what I say because no can to nyansa even though some of us we have problem or issue with them they make a lot of sense into bishop process they are now me bomo dia na we dey mpe to mama to church members mpe no mama church members na be ya o me dey they can have something doing into no we take that na no be so pe say yasini ko pe jo mo no fa chat ni brewa na no It's a hotel, some series. If you are to Dubai, Sanyaman, it won't hear. It won't hear. Pay to check my mess no. Oh, no, we need to man yet. So your office there, tell it to your office there. Oh, office there, when you walk around, in Dubai. Me, a friend Mr. Carter, tell it to one of Mr. Carter, ni into contacting the pen 0277 365 144. Who contacting person who here Kaibi, Ubenifia, office no fear na, your office will fear na, internal, or maybe a car, Pebia, no, that's continual. Mamma was better. Intimeno, no talk and plant or metal one more. There ship will be a but talk as money for me breathe. Mr. Minia agent, and I'll be me a real soft Nakasa, me registered business guy. I'm here registered Mokital Lances or Canada, maybe auctions nadi. It's easy. Sana dealer, Obi Baba, over Tono Harbour, you know. Sack costing for son now cut it. It's very easy. Timidas in Yamishramwa, pastors, Pacho, bishops, we Muntia.